In this video, I will show you the new way to create Facebook Business Portfolio, formerly called Facebook Business Manager. Log in your Facebook account. On the left hand side here, scroll down, you will see more. Click on this drop down button, then click on Ads Manager. The Ads Manager is loading. This is your Meta Ads Manager dashboard. If you have just one personal ad account, at the top here, you will see your profile picture here attached to your personal ad account. There is a drop down button below here. Click on this drop down button. Here you will see the ad accounts and business portfolio that you have. This is the personal ad account. This is one business portfolio I have here. If you don't have any business portfolio at all, you will see only your personal ad account. Okay, now I want to show you the simple way to create and set up your Facebook business portfolio. So below here you will see this create a business portfolio button. Click on it. You will need to fill this form. The first thing here is your business portfolio name, so we can just give it a name. After inputting your name, the next thing is to enter your contact information. Enter your first name and the surname here. The next thing is to enter your email. You can use any of your email address, be it a personal email or a business email. So when I input that here, you will see the create button down here. Click on create. We want to add Facebook page. If you have Instagram account, you can also add it. So just click on next. The name you added and that email address is going to have full control of this business portfolio. Okay, you can add another email. That is, if you want another person to manage this business portfolio with you. Let's assume that you have a big business and you have other social media managers or advertisers who you want them to manage this portfolio for you. You can also add their email here to invite them. But I don't want to add anybody right now, so I'll click on next. Then click on this confirm button below. And with that, your business portfolio has been created. But that's not all. You need to set up the business portfolio. Before I show you how to do that, just like this video. Click on the like button below. Have you done that now? All right, let's continue. If you click here, you are going to see the new business portfolio we just created. You can see business portfolios. You will see this is the first one I had, and this is the new one that is just created, 𝗟𝗏𝗁𝐵. Remember the name? 0 ad accounts. So there is no ad account here. There is no page added. There is no verification done, right? So what I want to do now is to add all those things. Okay, so on this right hand side here, you will see the business portfolio selected, and there is settings icon right here. Click on this settings icon. You'll be directed to Meta Business Suite. These are people, and you will see that the name I added is active and has full control of this business portfolio. If you scroll down, you will see accounts. Under account is pages. Click on pages. I want to add a Facebook page because without Facebook page, you cannot complete the setup of your business portfolio. You see that no page has been added yet. So if you have a business Facebook page, then just go ahead and add it. You will see this add button right here. Click on add, then choose add existing Facebook page. When you click on that, they will ask for your Facebook page name or URL. That URL is the Facebook page link. Okay, when you enter the name of the page here, you will see the suggestion down below. This is the particular page I want to add, so I'll select this page. It will show right here. Below you will see the next button. Click on next. After selecting the page, you need to review people who have access to the page. If you don't have access to that page, they will request access. Okay, and after approval, before they will add that page to the portfolio. So I will advise that you use a page that you have full access to. That way they will not require any approval, right? This account has access to this page, so with that I will just click on next button here. You will see I agree to Meta terms of service, so check this box. After checking this box, below you will see add page button. Click on add page. You can see that the page is added successfully, so click on done. You can see the page right here. You can add more than one page in case you want to be using like 2-3 pages to be running ad on this portfolio, and you can assign people to it. You can also connect assets. Okay, if you want me to create more videos on how to assign people and connect assets, just comment below, and if I get more requests, I will create video on that. Now that you have added a page, you can decide to create an add account on this particular business portfolio. At the left hand side, you will see add account. That's the next thing here. If you click on add account, you will see that this new business portfolio we just created doesn't have any add accounts. So if you want to create an add account, you can just click on this add button and go ahead to create your add account. I've already created a step-by-step video on how to create an add account in a business portfolio. So if you want that video, just comment Facebook add account creation at the comment section and I will send you access access to that video. The next thing you may want to add to this business portfolio is your Instagram account. Right here you will see Instagram accounts. We have not added anyone here. You will see this add button right here, or you can use this add button at the right hand side. Anyone will work. Okay, when you click on the add button, this pop-up will show you are expected to add only Instagram professional accounts. What they mean by that is a business account or a creator account. Any of them will work. Okay, so what you need to do is to click on this I agree to Instagram terms, privacy policy and cookies policy. When you check this box and you click on claim Instagram account, you will go ahead to add the Instagram account. Just add the Instagram name and the password and you'll be able to add it. That's it. The next thing here is WhatsApp accounts. If you click on WhatsApp, no WhatsApp account has been added here yet. Okay, so what you can just do is to click on this add button and you can add your WhatsApp number. It's just that simple. If there's something that you don't understand, just comment below and I'll reply to all your questions. Don't forget to like this video if you have not done that. If you are interested in learning more about Facebook and Instagram ads that convert, then you need to subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. Click on the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next Facebook and Instagram ads tutorial.